Well, hello there! I'm so glad you could join me today. Come on in, don't be shy. Step out of that blustery weather and into the warmth of my kitchen. The wind's howling outside. Perfect weather for something warm and wonderful. There's nothing quite like cooking up a storm while the real one rages outside. Let's make a big, bubbling pot of chili together. The kind that simmers away, filling the house with anticipation and mouth-watering aromas. A bowl of chili is like a warm hug from the inside out. It's comfort food at its finest, perfect for sharing with friends or family. It fills the kitchen with amazing smells and makes you feel snug and safe. The kind of coziness that makes you want to linger at the table just a little longer. We'll take our time and make it just right. No need to rush. Good things, after all, are worth waiting for, especially when it comes to chili. There's a certain magic to making chili. It's about creating comfort and bringing everyone to the table with big smiles. It's more than just a meal. It's a reason to gather and share stories. Think of the steam rising from the bowl, the rich red color, and the happy sounds of spoons clinking. Every bite is a little celebration of warmth and flavor. This recipe is easy, I promise. All you need is a bit of time and a love for good, honest food. No fancy tricks, just simple steps and hearty ingredients. We're making a classic chili, the kind that tastes even better the next day. It's the sort of dish you'll look forward to having again, maybe even for breakfast. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get our bits and bobs ready. Gather your favorite apron and let's set the stage for some kitchen magic. It's going to be a cracking good time. Ready to begin? Smashing! Let's dive in and make this meal one to remember. First, let's gather our team of tasty heroes. Each one brings its own special power to the table, ready to join forces for a delicious adventure. We need a pound of minced beef for a hearty, rich base. This will give our dish that satisfying, meaty depth and make every bite feel comforting and filling. Next, a big onion for sweetness. It melts down and adds a gentle, mellow flavor that ties everything together. 2 tins of kidney beans. They make the chili filling and soak up all the lovely juices. Their creamy texture is perfect for a hearty meal. A big tin of chopped tomatoes for color and tang. The tomatoes bring brightness and a little zing, making the whole dish sing. Now, the spices. Chili powder for warmth, cumin for earthiness, and a hint of smokiness that gives our chili its signature taste. And a couple of garlic cloves for that divine aroma. Garlic wakes up the senses and adds a wonderful depth to every spoonful. A bit of oil for the pan, just enough to help everything sizzle and blend together beautifully. A splash of beef stock or water to keep things juicy and help all those flavors mingle as they cook. And a pinch of sugar to balance the tomatoes. Just a little makes a big difference, softening any sharpness. Nothing fancy, just good, honest ingredients. These are the building blocks of a great meal. Simple, but full of promise. These simple things come together to make something wonderful. It's amazing how a few basics can create such magic. See? All easy to find at any shop. No need for anything rare or expensive. Just grab what you need and you're ready to go. The magic is in how they work together. That's our team. What a lineup. Let's get cooking and see what deliciousness awaits. Grab your biggest, heaviest pot. Trust me, you'll want plenty of room for all the deliciousness we're about to create. Set it over medium heat and pour in a generous splash of oil, just enough to coat the bottom and get things sizzling. Toss in the chopped onion. Listen for that lovely sizzle as the pieces hit the hot oil. That sound means you're on the right track. Stir the onions until they're soft and see-through, letting them release their sweetness. Then add the garlic and let it cook for just a minute, so it doesn't burn. Next in goes the minced beef. Break it up with your spoon, making sure there are no big clumps, and cook until it's beautifully browned all over. Browning the meat is key. It builds deep, rich flavor, so take your time and don't rush this step. Sprinkle in chili powder and cumin, letting the spices rain down and coat everything in the pot. Stir well and toast the spices for about a minute. This wakes up their flavors and fills your kitchen with an amazing aroma. Now, pour in the chopped tomatoes, a good splash of beef stock or water, and don't forget that pinch of sugar. It balances out the acidity. Give everything a big, hearty stir, so all the flavors start mingling together. Bring the pot to a gentle bubble, just enough to see a few lazy bubbles rise to the surface. Then turn the heat down low. Pop the lid on, but leave it slightly ajar so some steam can escape and the sauce can thicken up nicely. Let it simmer gently for at least an hour. This is where patience pays off. The longer it simmers, the deeper and richer the flavors become. So don't be afraid to let it go even longer if you have the time. This is when the magic really happens. Your chili transforms into something truly special. Soon, your kitchen will smell absolutely incredible. Now all that's left is to wait and let the anticipation build. While the chili simmers, let's talk secrets. Drop in a small square of dark chocolate halfway through cooking. It adds depth and richness. A splash of Worcestershire sauce or strong coffee can boost the flavor too. Add the kidney beans for the last 20 minutes so they stay firm. Now, toppings. A dollop of sour cream, a handful of grated cheddar, and some chopped spring onions or coriander. For crunch, scatter on some crushed tortilla chips. Set up a toppings bar and let everyone build their perfect bowl. It's all about having fun with your food. The extras make it special. That's the secret to a smashing chili. The timer's gone off. Our chili is ready. It's thick, rich, and a beautiful deep red. You've turned simple ingredients into a feast. Now call everyone to the kitchen and ladle out big warm bowls. Set out all the toppings and let everyone create their own masterpiece. The room fills with happy chatter and smiling faces. Take a moment to taste all those wonderful flavors you created. It's more than just a meal. It's warmth, comfort, and love in a bowl. This is what cooking is all about: sharing, connecting, and making memories. A good meal brings people together and fills a house with happiness. Next time you need comfort, you'll know just what to do. Get your big pot out and make another batch. It's a proper recipe for happiness.